Alright guys, in the last video we have completed the login process. Now we are going to continue and let's try to implement all the logic that we're going to we're going to need it. Okay, so before and before just for the information, those who are new to this video, please check out the earlier video, then you will understand all about this project. And okay, now I'm going to implement all the service. I'm just going to service first. So here I'm going to need one method to reset. Suppose whenever you successfully login, then the failed item should be better to show you, should be reset to 0. Um, Continue it. So currently the failure to 0. So whenever user successfully log into its login account, then it automatically reset to 0. So for that I'm going to use one method, that is update. Sorry, I call it reset failure. Inside I'm going to pass one method, that is one parameter, that is string in. Now if you want this one here, just click on Ctrl O, it will then I will set it as return repository update is going to be update failed data. I'm going to take two parameters. Create a method in the repository. Rename this as failure. Now here I need to add one query annotation. So whenever it will execute, whenever this method is being called, that time it will execute this query into the database. Update user, you can set u dot get into the view. Just click the entity name and paste over there. In the repository. Then skeleton where you email is enough. And since it is update, so for that I need to add modification here. Okay, so I'm done for now with this. Then go back to handler. And okay, take the customer detail, user detail, then authentication, get the users. Now task this one with the customers, user detail. After that, take the users detail, get user. Okay, and if user is not now, then I'm going to call service. to service, but I need to add one. I need to call the service. I mean, user service here. User service. Let's make it private. Also make it final. Before constructor, I'm going to use request argument constructor. I'm gonna create the constructor. Now, at that time, I will call the user service. User from reset period time. I will pass user dot category. Okay. Okay. So whenever user will log into the account, then this class will trigger, and inside this trigger it will call the service reset skeleton, which is gonna execute that query that you have defined in the repository, and that repository will set the skeleton to 0. Okay. So this is it. So after that, I'm going to implement other things such as increase the failure. It's going to be whenever a user make any wrong failed attempt, that time is going to increase the failure attempt. I mean, before that, set it increase failure attempt, then 5%. Okay, here we need to change one thing, that instead of using passing mail, you pass the user or user. Then go back to customer. What is the error now? Delete return. Oh, there should not be written because the return type is void. It's not going to return anything. Okay. Now implement that method. So here first it will take the it's going to tell the what do we call it? It's going to take the get the failure time and current failure time. Failure time. Okay. Then after that, it's going to get it from get failure time from the database. Plus, we're going to add one. Remember, this method only execute when user will make failed attempt. At that time, what we are doing here, we are just getting the user failure current failure attempt, then adding one more. Then simply call the repository, then update failure time. Update skeleton, then pass get skeleton. Okay, do one thing. I should name it as skeleton. It will make sense more. Skeleton, then user take the getting it. This is it. After that, we're going to log whenever the number. And when what I was saying is whenever the skeleton number reaches to 3, that time we are going to call. We are going to log the user. For that, I'm going to create one more method, that is for log the user. Void log users. Insert again for user. Now implement this one to the service. Control O, then implement what I have to do. Now take the user, simply take user, then set account number. So it will set it as false. Remember, this method only will be called whenever the number of failure term goes to 3, up to 3. Okay. Then user on the lock time, set lock time, local, okay, local date. It should be local date time. Local date time. Then now, okay. Then simply the position and save. User. So this is it. So after that, one more that is going to be to unlock the detail, unlock the user detail. So whenever the time period, the given time period will over, in that time we going to unlock the unit. So for that, I'm going to create one method here. And this is one. This method return time will be boolean. Then unlock user. For the user again. Let's move into the implementation class and implement this one first. Okay. Now I will first take the local date time, current time, and lock time. I'm going to compare the lock time and current time. Suppose okay, here I'm going to define two things: private, static, final. Let's say the number in max login. Let's say max login attempt is going to be 3. After 3, if whenever user will make 3 failure attempt, that time we are going to log the account. And one more thing, that is private static, it should be long. Then lock duration, lock duration. Suppose I want to log the account for 5 minutes. So for that, let's say 5 into 60 into then 1000. So this is the millisecond. Okay, now go down. So lock time. User dot get locked in. And then if lock time is not null, what I'm going to say, it's not null. Then what we're going to do, then we're going to convert the lock time to in millisecond. So for that, let's define lock time in millisecond. Then lock time get 2 instant. After that, you need to pass zone offset. Okay. What do you do? Zone offset and UTC. It's a universal time. then it's 2 millisecond. Okay. So it will convert the millisecond that we have taken from the user into it will convert the date time that we have taken from the user table, then it will convert into millisecond. After that, let's take the current time. Current time again it should be converted to 2 milliseconds from now. Local dating fast and mobile daytime. Then now after that I'm going to convert a zone again zone offset UTC, and then is going to be 2 instant, then simply 2 attributes. Now I'm going to compare so long so unlock time in millisecond. Unlock time in millisecond. Then is going to be the lock time plus lock time is in millisecond plus the maximum time duration. Let me rename this one. Okay, is going to be a lock time millis plus the maximum, what is the name? Log duration. Okay, suppose at 12:30 suppose at 12:30 this count has been locked after plus 5 minutes. So this time we are going to add here after 5 minutes. Now I'm going to compare this one with current. If current current sorry, in millisecond. If current time millisecond is greater than unlock time in millisecond, then I'm going to perform the unlock operation. Suppose user set account is going to be true. After that, user the lock time I'm going to set it as null. Time null. After that, user what we have here set, and failure time I will set it to a 0. Set to failure time 0. And the last I will simply what I will do, simply call the repository over here, repository, and save the user. And the last I'll return, since it is the boolean type, return, so I'm going to return true, or else I'm going to return false. So this is it. This is from now in this video. So we have implemented what the save user account to register an account. After that, to log in the process we have seen in the last video. So in this video we have created some method for such as reset failure time. Whenever a user successfully log into account, it should reset the failure time to 0. After that, increase failure time. Whenever user make any failure time, then it is going to increase the failure time into the database. And then this is the lock user. Whenever the number failure time is goes up to 0, that time is going to lock the user. And last one is the time comparison. Suppose we want to log the user for 5 minutes. For that, we have created this method. Okay. So this is for now. In the next video, we are going to create the login failure handler, in which we're going to call all these methods. Okay. So for now, bye bye.